Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Calasar Tech. This is Bill. Today, we're going to spend some time on two Excel formulas. I know it says 5 formulas up there, but that's because I plan on going over 5 over the course of the next couple of episodes. But today, we're going to start with the two most important formulas that I use on a regular basis, and that is sum and average. So I use sum to add up my bills every single month and for the year. So we're going to go with that one first. And I pulled up some data from a few months ago. And on the far left, we have date, we have expense, we have amount, we have type, and we have notes. But we're only concerned with amount for today. And as you can see, we have all of the bills that I normally have to deal with. We've got internet, car payment, gas, so forth, water, car insurance, cell phone, electric. Some of it I don't have to deal with, like gas. We don't have gas, but I put that on there because a lot of you do. And so that's important for a lot of you. So let's go ahead and figure this out and add up our total for the month of February. The first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to hit equals. Then we're going to hit sum. We're going to open it. Click on the first one, drag all the way to the bottom. Then we're going to close the parentheses, and there we go. It's 2613. Now let's pretend that you have a roommate and you need to split the bills with this roommate. Well, how would you do that? You'd use the exact same formula. So you'd hit equals, sum, parentheses, select that number above the 2613, divided by 2 or 3 or however many roommates you have, and then you close it. And then you hit enter or tab or click anywhere else in the spreadsheet. And there we go. Now we have that total divided by 2. So now, as you can see, it's not displayed in terms of dollars or pounds or whatever currency. Well, we're going to go ahead and switch it over to US dollars. So how do we go about doing that? Well, we select it, we right click, we go to format cells, we go to number, and there's number, alignment, font, border, fill, and protection, but we're only concerned with number for today. As you can see, the first one is general, we have number, we have currency. We want US dollars, so we're going to click on currencies. And there we go. It says, decimal place we want 2. The symbol is dollar. And then we hit OK at the bottom. There we go. Now it's displayed in terms of US dollars. Now let's say that you want to go ahead and add up the electric bill for the year and figure out what the average is per month. Well, I went ahead and collected our data for the year. Since we do this every single month, the data is right there. All we got to do is copy and paste it. And so for last year, 2018, these numbers are kind of made up, but it's okay. They're roughly based on real numbers. So we're going to go ahead and total this up. So remember from previously, we're going to go ahead and equals, then sum, parentheses, click and drag, close it, and there we go. So we spent $2,047 in electric for last year, which is a lot of money. I didn't realize we spent that much. But now I want to know how much was the average per month. So we're going to go ahead and average it out. In this case, we click equals, then we type in average, parentheses or open it, click, drag, close it, hit enter. There we go, and we got 170.58. Now for those of you who want to just use the keyboard, it's similar to before. It's equals, average, open, B2, colon, B13. And there, as you can see, it selects it for you automatically. Close it, hit enter, and there we go, 170.58. And if you ever want to check on that, go ahead and just click in that field, then it will show you what you've selected. All right, but we're good. But as you can see, it's still not in US dollars. Let's go ahead and change that. We select them. And if you want to change it for all of them, you can just go ahead and do this, select it, drag it all the way to the bottom, right click it, go down to format cells, go down to currency. Let's move that here real quick so I'm going to get in my way. All right, there we go. Then hit OK. And there we go. Look at that, $170.58. So yay. And that's how we would go about totaling up bills and averaging them out. And I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this was useful. Please like, please subscribe. There will be a blog post that goes along with this here posted soon. There was one there before, but had some issues with it, so I'm going to go back and fix a few things. I want you guys to have a wonderful weekend,